Here are the top 5 performing email campaigns that we sent for our clients. These campaigns have collectively generated over $50,000 in email revenue, and I'll be breaking down exactly what the campaigns are, the psychology of the campaigns, as well as how you can apply it for your own brand. Here we are in Figma, and we're going to start off with Research Verified. They are a supplement brand with a age demographic typically anywhere between like 40 to 70, 80 years old, so definitely in the older demographic, but we sent this out in the beginning of the year. So we're kind of capitalizing on the angle and the psychology of new year, new me. So in this case is new year, new goals with a 17% off discount code. Start 2024 the right way. We have an immediate call to action right below. So one of the main things that you'll notice across all of these templates, and I would highly recommend for you to implement, is to have a call to action in the above the fold. So that way, once a person opens up their phone, they can immediately see that call to action and click on it and get redirected to the landing page or the product description page. Now we scroll down here, we see recommended products that we know our clients are gonna like. These are our top performing products. So we have joint relief, omega-3, brain booster, nerve support. We're keeping this simple. We don't want to overcomplicate this because, for the most part, 90% of the people are just going to be clicking through this, which goes to a collections page. But if you go down here and you need nerve support, brain booster, whatever it is, we have that available here as well. We have a triple guarantee here. So like we have a 365-day guarantee, all natural ingredients, scientifically formulated. So these are just small call to actions that help with the selling point, even if you're not doing too much product description. Now moving on to Chuga. Chuga is a Shilajit brand, and they specialize in Shilajit as a supplement. So one thing that we did before launching this campaign is we pre-warmed up the audience, telling them that we have Shilajit tablets. Now, one of the problems with Shilajit is sometimes it has a bad taste. You may not want to drink it with specific drinks that you're drinking. So tablets were a crucial, evolution for this business. One thing that we did was we hyped up the email list. We then sent this out to people that haven't purchased yet, because sometimes when people purchase the actual Shilajit in a jar, they may not want to use the jar. So we pushed them to the tablets first, and then after that, we sent them to past customers to try it out. And this performed super well. Again, we have in stock now Shilajit tablets with a product image right here. It's very easy to understand what's going on and get yours now, making it personal of like, these are your tablets, essentially playing with a little bit of psychology there. And it's really, the call to action stands out, and it's very easy to click on it. We also have a little description of our new Shilajit tablets are here. Whether you dissolve them in your favorite drink or take them with water, these tablets are the perfect ways to stay energized and focused on the go. We've worked hard to bring these to life, and we're excited to finally share them with you. And here's a bonus. When you grab a 2-pack, you'll get 10% off. It's the perfect time to stock up and keep your energy going. Another call to action right below it, just to make it even easier if they've read through it and they want to get that discount. Again, we have multiple badges of authority, and we have like natural and authentic, 85 natural minerals, helps immunity boosting, and high quality sourcing. So just again, a couple of little selling points at the bottom here. Now moving on to Crafty by Numbers. Crafty sells paint by number kits, and this is actually one of my favorite types of emails because number one, I love messing with people's psychology, and I'm not saying this in a bad way, but utilizing the psychology of mystery and curiosity. Curiosity killed the cat. So we kind of want to play on that here, where we have a mystery flash sale. It's a flash sale, but people don't know exactly what the discount is. And that is the fun part about it. So it's a mystery. They don't know what they're getting. They just have to put in the code Eastery, and that improves the conversion rate overall, because you go and, maybe you have a paint kit that you wanted to buy and you're just waiting for that sale time. You get this email, and this just pushes you over the edge because you don't know what that discount is until you actually get to checkout. And once you're at checkout, you're more likely to convert. A good analogy for this is, as a kid where, you have all those kiosks right at checkout and your mom's checking out, she's buying the weekly groceries, and you want a candy bar, you want like a Twix. You grab the Twix, and she's more likely to say yes because you're already at checkout, rather than if you were to bring that up earlier, in the shopping journey. we have that. We have uncover your deal, which is, again, making it more personal. We want them to feel like it's theirs rather than, unlock this deal or click here to learn more. We're making it more personal. Additionally, we have dynamic product recommendations at the bottom based off the customer data. So again, we're personalizing this email even more based off of what the customers browsed in the past. And then we have those 3 authority badges where it's tracked and insured, love it or your money back, and we have a 60-day money back guarantee. Now, moving forward with the next one, which is Dingo. Now, Dingo is a boot company here locally in Nashville. Woo woo. So they specialize in selling really high quality boots for women as well as men. And this is not necessarily a sale email like the last few ones were. And this is what makes it so fun to work with this brand, because they do so many crazy experimental things with their brand. So one of the things that we did was a sort of editorial style of email. So see how they do it in Dingo. It's a hashtag that they use in all of their social media promotions, and it says shop the influencer edit. Influencers are a big part of marketing at this point. You can't really ignore them. Influencers are kind of leading the fashion space, and we have a lot of high value influencers that we used here in order to promote this boot, not only to promote it on the social side, but also to promote how they would style it. So the best thing you can do is help the customer imagine what the product is going to be like in their hands. That's one of the things that they do at mall kiosks. If you're trying to shop for like a skincare product, they put it in your hand, because once they put it in your hand, you're more likely to purchase it. Now, we kind of want to do the same thing here on the email side. We're showing them exactly how they can style it. So for example, if a girl opens up this email and she's like, oh, I have this skirt and I have this top, but man, those boots look so cute when I put this whole fit together. So it makes them think future pace on what that is going to look like when they wear it. So we have the eye candy denim boot, we have the Raisin Cane leather boot, again, how we style it, the Spirit Trail leather boot, and again, how that's styled, and lastly, the Thunder Road leather boot and how that's styled. So we're showing them exactly how other influencers and other big players in the industry are wearing these boots. It makes them feel like they can pull off the same look as well, which I'm sure they can. They just got to buy the boots. And lastly, we have Shop Pay as just an additional call to action of, interest-free installments if they want to split up the payments, if they, maybe not have the money for the boots. So making another call to actions there. A small little menu down at the bottom if they want to shop further. But for the most part, they're going to shop the influencer edit and then go boot by boot as we see here. And lastly, we have Cold Life, which is a cold plunge brand. So they specialize in cold plunge tubs, and we were doing a Labor Day sale for them, and they absolutely crushed it from this email. They got a lot of orders based off of this. So not only are you getting like a nice welcome to Cold Life, but also you understand that there's a Labor Day sale. Get up to $545 in savings. Again, a huge number, and Shop Now is right below it. So it's easy to tell once you open the email where you can go and shop it. Additionally, we have a banner up top where it says Labor Day sale, get up to $545 in savings. So there's you can't really escape the savings here. They're all across the email. Additionally, we have some authority building as featured in Sports Illustrated, Forbes, GQ, Men's Health. So we have the authority badges to help secure that, like, hey, this is a legitimate brand. We're actually selling these, and these have been featured in great publications. And then it's welcome to the Cold Life Plunge family. We're thrilled to have you. And we are thrilled to have this Labor Day limited time offer. Made it more USA themed Cold Life Plunge tubs are built in the USA. So we kind of want to play on that a little bit, have red, white, and blue, get up to $545 in savings and a free lid with an additional $300 in value. Grab this deal, making this stand out even further. And then we break down the exact technology behind the Ultimate Plunge Bundle. So if they want to go with that Plunge Bundle, they can have customizable logo. It comes with the setup completed. It's versatile and portable. It's only 80 pounds. I know that may not sound like versatile and portable, but compared to other plunge tubs, this is one of the more lighter ones, and it's also sleek and modern. And again, another call to action at the bottom here. So that's pretty much it. We got our 5 emails that have crushed it for our clients this year. And I hope you learned something new today. And if you liked the video, hit the like down below. If you want to see more videos like this every week, hit subscribe. And I made another video right here. Go ahead and check that out. and I'll see you in the next one.